Hello everybody, my name is Shay. This is Rustic Goddess Resale. We have a fun box today, and before I get to that, I am honestly just trying to film videos to get my mind off of the happenings in my life. By the time this video comes out, the news is probably going to be to our friends and family. It will be. I'll make sure I don't post it until it is. My dad, as a lot of you that watch my channel know, has stage 4 colon cancer and has been fighting for 7 years. I'm so thankful that he has made it this long. But he's in the hospital. He went to the hospital Christmas Day and they did more scans and they found more cancer. So it is in his colon, his liver, his lungs, his rib, his lower back, and now his brain. So probably doesn't have a whole lot of time left. So I'm gonna try not to cry and try to film some ThredUP unboxings so I kind of keep my mind busy and keep it off of my actual life, hopefully. So I just wanted to let everybody know that because I will probably be taking some time off pretty soon. But anyway, they're gonna try to do targeted radiation on the brain to buy more time. But overall, it's just, putting a Band-Aid on what is, inevitable at this point. So anyway, sorry for the downer news. I just wanted to give everybody an update. In case I seem a little bit down in this video, it's because I am, and I'm just trying to honestly pass the time without me going to sleep. I've been taking lots of naps. I am extremely exhausted. So anyway, let's get to it. I got a ThredUP fun box and it was $34 for 10 items. I've actually never gotten this box before. And I don't know, I saw it on the website. I haven't even seen it on the website when I've logged on. So when I saw it the other day, I was like, oh, I am going to jump on that. So we will see what we get. I hope I get a good one. I've been seeing some crap ones lately. So hopefully mine is not a crap fun box, but I guess we'll see. Right off the bat, I don't know, it's not looking very great. This is a Morona little wallet, and it's got a wallet and a phone case, which I don't even know if this phone case is relevant at this point. It definitely won't fit my phone, but we will see. Has this little thing that wraps around. Anyway, the price tag says it was clearanced out for $5.98. So not getting off to the best start. This is a shawl. Hopefully it's branded in some way. If you have not subscribed to the channel, I do have lots of ThredUP unboxings, what sold videos. I am a full-time reseller. My name is Shay. I don't know if I said that already. This is an unbranded little shawl, so I might take that to Style Encore. I'm not sure if I can sell that by itself just based on the brand, but we will definitely see about that. There's a barcode over what these are called. I don't know. They're long stockings that have some ruffles at the top. So that is what that is. I've got oh goodness. What in the hell is this? I think it's a bikini top. Is there any bottoms? There's bottoms. Okay. I'm a fan. It's new with tags, Madewell little bikini top. And there's no price on it, but it is a size medium. So there's the top. It's very interesting. I'll have to look up the style so I can get a stock photo going. Ooh, cute. But it's got some high-waisted bottoms with it, also a size medium. I think that may make my investment back, hopefully. By itself, I just got this little crappy wraparound bracelet. Victoria Emerson. Okay, it is branded, Victoria Emerson. I am not sure what that is. Hopefully it's something good. I kind of got threw off because of the silica packet. Normally that means it came straight from China. Yeah, Victoria Emerson. I'm not sure if that will focus, but I'll have to look that up and see what's going on there. This is Axels. It's got, I don't know, axels.com. No, shopskicountry.com. So these are ski socks. So it has the angel and then the devil on them. Interesting. I think the price says $15.99. So maybe I can get 10 bucks for those. New with the tags, little A New Day flats. So I will most likely, there's a little bit of a dent in there, probably from being in storage or something. So I might be able to take those to Style Encore. What is this? Avenue Body Control Top. Retail price was $6. Probably not great, but I did sell a Calvin Klein set of tights on eBay for like $18. So I don't know, maybe this is like something that isn't made anymore and could be sold for more. We will see. Some acceleration opaque tights in a size small medium. Okay. The clearance price was ripped off, but it's probably not very good. And then we have a bra from Windsor, which that's kind of a fast fashion brand. Honestly, I will still be able to sell it probably for 10 to 15 maybe. It is new with tags. Very cute little top in a size small. It did retail for $34.90, so we will see. But that is my box, you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in to this short video. I'm glad it kind of took my mind off of things for a while. I have a couple more to film too. But yeah, let me know, what did you think of my box? Also, please just send us all of the love, light, and prayers that you can as we work through this. It's not going to be easy, but hopefully just knowing that I'm not alone makes it a whole lot easier just from that. So anyway, if you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.